Shooting the Epic 2 Lite really is a delight. Now, in my previous video, which was also the review video of this gun, I was shooting it with 18 grain diabolos. I decided to crank it up a notch on this one and go for the 25.4 Airgun redesigns. I'm shooting the redesigns at 850 feet per second out of this extremely compact and lightweight gun. The reg is set at 140 bar, and since a lot of you keep asking me in the comments about the shot count on this one, I'm gonna let you know. It's about 14 or 15 good shots from 250 bar fill until the gun drops off the reg. Is it going to get cloudy again? Yeah, I know what most of you are going to say. This really isn't much of a shot count, but let me remind you that this gun was designed for compactness and lightweight, to enable you to be on the go throughout the entire day doing pest control or hunting. So there must be a compromise. It only has a 300mm barrel, and as for the air tank, 90 cubic centimeters, and we're talking about shooting very heavy diabolo pellets in 22 caliber at a considerable velocity. And now a little something about my gear, of course. On the Epic 2 Lite, I've mounted the Hush carbon fiber suppressor by RTI Arms. Very short, very lightweight, very dependable, quiets the gun down, and works great out of all my air rifles. As for the gun side, this is the Alpex 4K Lite by Hick Micro, a great little digital day and night scope. I definitely recommend it. And while I'm making the final preparations for today's pest control session, you sit back, relax, and let me show you what I was able to get out of this gun at 55 yards yesterday at the range with the Airgun redesigns. Well, how about that? I deliberately left the wind protector on my mic off so that you can get a notion of the conditions in which I'm shooting. 15 miles per hour wind with gusts such as this one, and it's gusting up to God knows how much. She did not delay. There goes the hissing and mewing, and the first pigeon of the day. I don't know what she's doing today. She just dropped off the one that I fed to her right there. But further down this direction, yeah, you don't need to do that. Do you know how ungrateful you are? There is the second pigeon that I shot, and I think I saw kittens. Maybe that's why she's so protective. Hey, I'm talking to you. You're supposed to eat those, right? You're supposed to help me clean up. Oh, come on. I'm gonna hold for winter a little this time. And I got him. I was right to. Pretty quick to return at the top of the silo this time. 55 meters, that's about 60-61 yards. Holding to the right again, because the wind is from the right. Oh, it moves too much, this one. No, I should probably try the one next to it. Ah, there you go. Okay, I think this is the first time I actually see her with kittens. Check out this silly guy. It's roughly the same distance, apparently, and angle. You know, I'm not going to hold for wind this time because the wind shifted a little. Oh, I got him. Check out that guy over there. And you can see the clouds moving rapidly in the background. What's the distance? 63 meters. That's about 70 yards. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Should be better. Look at the position of its body. This means that there is a lot of wind up there. Let's hold a little to the right. Got him. Well, apparently I won't be able to retrieve a single pigeon today. They drop right on top of the cats, right in their den. Oh, we got a pair of lovebirds over there at 55 meters, again 60 yards, dead center. I'm gonna get the female this time. Down she goes. Safety off. Look who is always ready. Got him. Give me a good hiss now, you. That's it. That's the predator, the proud predator that relies on my catch. Down it goes. And the rest landed right next to me. Let's range them. Oh, but that is not a correct reading. Yeah, the laser rangefinder gets confused by that building behind it, the silo. Okay, let's try here. So it's about 24 yards away, and I should be aiming right about here. Well, the Epic may be light, but it sure hits hard. Meters, that's close to 43, 44 yards. Oh, a lot of wind again. Got him. You know, sometimes I think it's amazing exactly how silly those birds are. You keep shooting them, the survivors see it, and they keep coming back to the same spot. Check out the drops of blood. This guy left a trail, landed in one of the warehouses, so let's get him and go find the cat. Now I'm not going to touch the bloody thing because the cat found me. Yeah? Go inside and get it yourself. I had to help her out a little. Yeah, apparently she's afraid for her kittens. Hey, here is a peace offering. Not that we've ever been at war. Enjoy. Wind, wind, go away. 56 meters. There they are, back at the same spot, over and over again. It's from the right, even though it's from the left down here by me. Here we go again. Okay, holding a little. Boom. Okay, time to displace again. They're moving too much, as can be expected. Those of you who know me know exactly how thrilled I am always to target a whitey. And of course the one thing that's better than targeting a whitey is targeting a second one. Tough son of a gun. I don't know how he made it that far. He's a big one too. Check this out. My hand for reference. Definitely a male. The fridge must be full by far, I gather. Here's the second whitey to you. I wonder how good the image is. Directed towards the sun. Amazingly, this time I got to it faster than the cat did. Not that she's not gonna get this one as well, and I wonder if I'm the only one who's never getting tired of this. Hurry up, I'm gonna get you. I gotta be quick about this. That's a wood pigeon at 38 meters only. Weird. I would have sworn it's a longer distance. But there you go. Alright. Well, I wanted to keep that one for myself, but it's splashed down in the fish pond. I'll just take it out and give it to the cat. Here comes the rake again. And that is definitely going to be the longest shot of the day. 93 meters. That's about 101, 102 yards. Let's adjust some wind blowing from the right. What can I say? Some people criticize me that I used to shoot much more pests and that I'm making too much reviews and showcasing new products these days. Well, this must be a video that's sufficient for them. Thank you everyone for watching. The light, even though being a light, turns out to be a great shooting platform, at least for hunting and pest control. Light pellets, heavy pellets, I think the barrel is too short for slugs, but there you go. You have to compromise, like I said at the start of the video. Hope to see you in the next one, because I'm bringing to your attention something very interesting and something very cool pretty soon. I promise you're gonna love it. Catch you in the next one.